Pakistan, established on August 14, 1947, was created as a separate nation for Muslims following the end of British colonial rule in India. Initially comprising two geographically separate regions, West Pakistan, present-day Pakistan, and East Pakistan, present-day Bangladesh, the country faced political challenges and regional tensions. East Pakistan seceded in 1971, becoming the independent nation of Bangladesh after a bloody civil war. Pakistan has since navigated periods of military rule and democratic governance, facing ongoing security challenges and economic difficulties. Despite these struggles, Pakistan remains a resilient nation with a rich cultural heritage and a diverse population.